Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make spicy Nigerian puff puff with a little bit of pepper and onions. Let's get started. To make our spicy Nigerian puff puff, you will need flour, sugar, powdered milk, nutmeg, yeast, and of course the premium ingredients, pepper and onions, and of course some warm water. To begin, place some quantity amount of warm water in a bowl, then add the sugar. The sugar will help to make the yeast proof very fast. Don't worry, I will list the full ingredients in the description box. Okay, so once you are done mixing your sugar to dissolve slightly, add the yeast. Mix until it combines with the sugar and water, just until it dissolves, then set aside. In a bowl, sieve the flour, then add the nutmeg. Add some amount of salt, powdered milk. Just say you add all the dry ingredients together in the flour, then stir to properly combine. Once you are done stirring the flour, that's all the dry ingredients, now we're adding the yeast, sugar and warm water. Okay, I like to go with my liquid a little at a time, okay, just so I can control the quantity of liquid I'm adding into my flour. Okay, so stir until it's properly dissolved. I noticed this isn't enough, that the liquid isn't enough, so I'm adding some warm water. Make sure you are using warm water, not cool water. All right, so keep on mixing. If necessary, add some more warm water. So mix until you get a stretchy consistency, not a runny consistency, just stretchy, not too thick and not too light, just in between too thick and too light. Okay, this is the consistency I want and it's perfect. Okay, just make sure there is no lumps in your batter. So once you are done with mixing the puff puff batter, we are going to cover it with a plastic bag or aluminum foil or cling film, whatever one you have is fine. Then cover it with a kitchen towel, then keep aside in a warm place for it to proof, for it to double in size. I left mine for about 45 minutes. Okay, you can leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the temperature. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the air bubbles, and right now I'm adding the pepper. I have chopped the pepper as well as the onions. I'm going to mix everything all together just so it combines. You can actually add the pepper and onions before you cover it, okay, before you leave it to proof for 45 to 1 hour. Okay, but I decided to do mine this way. All right, so while that was going on, I placed a pan on fire, add generous amount of oil, vegetable oil, and once heated, I'm going ahead to scoop in the puff puff mix. Don't worry with the shapes. Puff puff don't necessarily need to have orange shape. If you can get orange shape, that's fine, but if you can't get orange shape, just go in with any shape you can. All right, my puff puff is giving me different shapes. All right, okay, so I go in with the batter just until I've added enough that can accommodate the pan and oil. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, just so the puff puff will have space to puff, to show themselves. You understand? That's it now. Puff puff, you know, you need to show yourself. Just allow the batter to show themselves. All right, to increase in size and the oil while frying. Make sure to occasionally flip the puff puff on both sides, just so it fries on both sides at the same time. If you leave your puff puff on fire without flipping it occasionally, one part or one side will not be done. All right, make sure you go in with your spoon, move it around just so both sides is frying at the same time. Keep on frying until your puff puff turns brown, golden brown like this. Guys, this puff puff outside is very crispy and inside is well done. Once this is done, I'm going to take this out from the oil and I'll go in again with some more butter until I finish frying all the puff puff batter. Guys, puff puff is one of my favorite snacks. I love eating puff puff. It is so easy to make and it is cheap to produce. And guys, you can even do puff puff as a business. You can make puff puff and other kind of snacks as a business. Okay, other snacks like egg roll, buns, just so many. Okay, just a business idea. Okay, so once I'm done with adding the next batch of batter into the oil, I'll repeat the process of flipping the puff puff on both sides, just so both sides of the puff puff fry until it is golden brown. And once that is done, I'll take it out from the oil, then repeat the process until I am done. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like to eat puff puff. Do you enjoy your puff puff with pepper or without pepper? I actually enjoy this version of puff puff with pepper. In fact, there is another version of puff puff that is sounding in my head. I want to try. Okay, once I come up with that version of how to make puff puff with something else, guys, I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm going to share it with you guys. Of course, I don't need to hold my recipe. I will show you. So just so if you like it, you can give it a try. Nigerian puff puff or spicy Nigerian puff puff can be enjoyed with any chilled drink of your choice or even hot chocolate. Let me know in the comment section what you prefer to enjoy your Nigerian puff puff with. I'm frying the third batch of the puff puff batter. Okay, guys, our puff puff is ready. Can you see what we have in here? Spicy Nigerian puff puff ready, and you can go in with some extra pepper, extra onions to enjoy your puff puff. That's fine. Okay, just to add some heat. You understand what I mean? This puff puff tastes so good and so nice. Inside well done and outside very crispy. You know, puff puff is very spongy. When you touch it, it springs back. Okay, that was what I was trying to demonstrate, and I opened it up, and guys, look at it. Inside is well done, outside golden brown and crispy. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it if you can, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you again in my next video. Goodbye.